Chapter 9, Persistence, the Eighth Step Toward Riches. Summary. In Chapter 9, Persistence, the Eighth Step Toward Riches, Napoleon Hill hones in on the importance of persistence in achieving financial success. Persistence, according to Hill, is an essential factor in transforming desire into its monetary equivalent. He goes on to explain that persistence is a state of mind and can be cultivated. Hill provides several practical strategies to develop and maintain persistence, such as cultivating a strong willpower, building a definite plan, and joining a supportive mastermind group. He stresses that lack of persistence is one of the major causes of failure and is often a weakness that can be overcome with effort. Analysis. In this chapter, Hill takes a deep dive into one of the most critical qualities for success: persistence. His emphasis on persistence as a state of mind rather than an inherent trait is empowering. It suggests that anyone can develop this quality, regardless of their starting point. Hill's practical strategies for developing persistence show his commitment to providing readers with actionable steps for achieving success. His suggestions like building a definite plan and being part of a mastermind group align well with his previous chapters, reinforcing the interconnectedness of his principles. The assertion that lack of persistence is a leading cause of failure serves as a powerful motivation to cultivate this quality. It also adds a layer of realism to his work, acknowledging that the path to success can be challenging and requires consistent effort and determination. Application. To apply the principles from this chapter, begin by recognizing the vital role of persistence in achieving your goals. Understand that it's not just about having a great idea or a well-developed plan. You need to be willing to stick with it, even when challenges arise. Use Hill's strategies to cultivate persistence. Develop a clear and definite plan for your goal, and commit to following through on that plan. Join or form a mastermind group to gain support and encouragement, helping you stay motivated and persistent. Finally, remember that persistence is a mental state that can be developed. If you find yourself struggling to stay the course, remind yourself of your goal and why it's important to you. Use this as fuel to keep moving forward, even when the path becomes challenging.